Not too strong. This mild coffee. The taste mild, not too strong. I love it. Yan. Ito yung nagpapasaya sa akin sa umaga pag may coffee. Mas ganito kainit, di ba? Oh my gosh. Natuwa ako kasi alam ni David palagi yung ano ko. He knows what I like in coffee. Or what I like or what I want in coffee. Hot coffee and just exact taste, not too strong. And not too mild or not too blunt. You know? Yan, kaya that's why I laugh and this makes me more what you call this, more happy and grateful. And grateful, di ba? Pareho lang, pero talaga, oh my God, I cannot start my day without coffee talaga. Who does start the day without coffee? Yeah, so, oh my God. It's so good, it's so nice. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel, Ruben David's Journey. Yan. So, ginising ako ni David kasi binigyan niya ako ng breakfast in bed. Yan. So, tignan natin kung ano yung binigay niya sa akin. Ito, nandito na sa higaan natin. No? Yan. Bagong luto. Parang pandesal siya na may scrambled egg. It's like bread with scrambled egg and cheese inside. I'm happy for this, and we feel like we're grateful for this. Yeah, so it's what time is it? It's 9:30. So I don't usually wake up at this time, but yesterday, like 3, I don't know, I mean last night, like 3 a.m., the neighbor is like they're fighting and arguing, and they're so too loud. They're too loud. So all of us, like David's kids, me and David, um, woke up because of that. Their noise. Ginising lang ako ni David kasi nga dahil dito sa breakfast na binigay niya. Yan. So, ayan, masaya naman tayo guys kasi may breakfast tayo. And, syempre, ano pa gagawin natin? Babangon tayo at kakain. Diba? Yan. I still feel tired, but it's 9:30. It's 9:30, guys. So 9:38. So I should get up. And but first, it is first. But really, I like coffee in the morning. Really, first thing in the morning, I like to drink coffee. Sometimes I don't eat breakfast right away. Minsan naman talaga papatimpla talaga ako sa kanya ng kape. Kain tayo, guys. Alam niyo sa mag-asawa kasi hindi naman maiiwasan talaga na hindi nagkakasundo minsan, ganyan, hindi maiiwasan yung nag-aaway. Pero ang importante at the end of the day, magkasama pa rin kayo. 'Di ba? Hanggang sa pagtanda. Hindi pwedeng magkahiwalay kayo. Ang talagang kaya kaya kayo pinagsama ni God para hanggang sa pagtanda nyo, magkasama kayo. Gano'n. Hindi pero siyempre kung unless na inaabuso ka, ganyan, yan. Iwanan mo, 'di ba? Yung talagang binubugbog ka, ganyan. Pero kung mga mild lang naman na bagay, pwede mong anuhin yan, pwede mong isakripisyo yung marriage nyo. So, yun lang. Pero masarap. Masarap, guys. Mm, good. Thank you, honey. Oh my gosh. And it's hot and not too strong. This mild coffee. The taste mild, not too strong. I love it. Yan. Ito yung nagpapasaya sa akin sa umaga pag may coffee. Mas ganito kainit, di ba? Oh my gosh. Natuwa ako kasi alam ni David palagi yung ano ko. He knows what I like in coffee. Or what I like or what I want in coffee. Hot coffee and just exact taste, not too strong. and not too mild or not too blunt. Yan, kaya that's why I laugh, and this makes me more what you call this, more happy and grateful. And grateful, di ba? Pareho lang, pero talaga, oh my God, I cannot start my day without coffee talaga. Who does start the day without coffee? Yeah, so, oh my gosh, it's so good, it's so nice. Mm. So, sa mga restaurant dito, ganyan naman ang breakfast nila, tapos meron silang coffee on the side. Parang dyan din sa Pilipinas, di ba? Kaya lang most of us, dyan sa Pilipinas, we drink 3-in-1 coffee, the coffee with the 3-in-1 coffee, coffee with cream, sugar, and coffee. So, dyan sa Pilipinas, but here in the in US, I used to drink coffee without sugar. Itong kape ko, guys, walang sugar to. Walang halong sugar to. Coffee lang talaga siya. Hindi ako nag-sugar sa coffee. Pure black coffee lang. Yan, hindi ako natutunan ko to kay David. Simula nung naging kami, simula nung naging asawa ko siya, siguro mga 5 years. 5 years now, almost 5 years now, I learned to drink coffee without sugar. And it's very good for me because sa pamilya namin meron kaming parang diabetic ang lahi ng ko ng pamilya ko. Kaya maganda na hindi ako umiinom ng 3-in-1 coffee. Kaya ito talaga mas maganda, pure black coffee lang. May onion pala siya, guys. May onion siya. Yan, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa maikling video natin, guys, no, na about sa breakfast in bed. Yan. Thank you for watching pala. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.